Watch at your own discretion, bitch.
Hello?
Hello? How you doing?
I'm good. What's up, baby daddy?
Oh, baby daddy. Dang, I want to be your wife, though. I mean, shit, you got me nervous.
Bruh.
You want to be my wife?
My father, you make me nervous. I can't even say what I want to say.
Ooh, it's okay, shorty. What's up? Stop playing with me.
But, I want you to be my wife, though. I don't want to be a baby daddy.
I can be all that and more. Stop playing.
Bruh.
Push me, cause I'm close to the clear. All I have is how you want it.
This is Asia's world, okay? What's good, it's bitch girl, everybody. Welcome back to Asia's world. If you're watching this video, big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button right now for some new lit content. Today's video, guys, I'm going back on the monkey app and I'm gonna be calling guys my baby daddy part 2.
Okay.
You guys already know I be seeing some crazy ass stuff, so this video is gonna be lit and hilarious. Got heard me the game. One thing I want to bring back is the shout outs, y'all. If you want a shout out in my next video, comment down below a nice comment. You feel me? Just say anything you want that's nice. You heard me, positive vibes only, and I will shout you out in my next video. You heard me, bully the gang. So make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button right now, and share this video to your friends. Let's get to this video. Hello?
Bruh.
Hello.
What happened?
Oh, at time.
What happened?
What's your name?
Asia. What's your name, baby daddy?
Baby daddy? My name is Dylan, but, you know...
Excuse me? What was that face?
Bruh.
No, because it caught me out of nowhere, but you know, like, how we was talking about, like, how I was supposed to, like, go get your name tattooed.
Boy, if you don't.
Boy, bye. Hello?
Can I suck your toes or what?
Of course.
Put your toes out. I'll put my dick out.
I don't want to see your
Where the
dick.
fuck is your toes? I got a beefy ass dick and that thing up pipe.
Boy, if you
I
don't.
don't want to see that shit. Relax.
I don't think so. What you mean you want to see it? I want to make love to your feet. You show me your toes right now. I'll pop a hard ass bone.
Bruh.
Swear to God. I'm dead ass serious. I'm some real shit, no funny shit, baby.
You gonna be my baby daddy?
Yes, ma'am.
Stop playing with me.
I'll be your baby daddy, sugar daddy, wherever the fuck you want to be. I'll be it.
How many kids you trying to give me then? Stop playing with me.
I'm not playing with you. Like, swear to God, you show me your feet right now. My dick is so hard, but I'm so hard. I'm gonna pop a huge ass bone.
Boy, if
How
you
many
don't.
kids is you trying to give me? And I'll show you my feet.
All the kisses that you need, 1,000, 1,000,000,000, infinity kisses, all over your toes, like up deep to your big toe kisses.
Why just my toes?
I said your pussy and all that, your coochie and everything, you put on and all
Yo,
that.
chill. Hey, baby daddy.
What up, though?
What's up, baby daddy? What you doing?
Baby daddy, damn, off rip.
Excuse me? Stop playing with me.
How many kids you want?
Like 9?
9? What the fuck?
Excuse me?
Y'all gotta share with me. One per person.
What that mean?
One per person. You get one, she get one, then she get one.
Who's she?
My side pieces, like to make me whole.
Nah, that's not how it works, Shree. Stop playing with me.
What?
Stop
Stop
playing.
playing with me.
Nah.
You gotta share with to get me.
Nah, I don't share dick. Stop playing.
You don't share this? What you get me?
Nigga, the whole package to myself. That's what I get.
What you get me then?
Me, nigga?
And some. And your friends.
Boy, if you don't.
You?
Damn, why your lips so close to the screen?
Yeah, I know you like them.
Who?
Bruh.
I tell him.
You said what?
What? I tell him.
Yo,
Come on,
stop playing with me, bruh. What you
Alright,
just say?
Rate me and my dog on the 10.
No, no.
Come on.
Nah, cause you talking crazy. He cute, but
Oh, for real, bro.
he cute, but you gotta go.
Me?
Yeah, you. He cute, but you gotta go.
Nah, don't rate
I don't wanna see what he look like.
Bruh.
Nah, bro, you got it, bro.
Hell nah, yeah, he got it. He got it. Hey, baby daddy.
Boy, if you don't.
Hello.
Hello? How you doing?
I'm good. What's up, baby daddy?
Oh, baby daddy. Dang, I want to be your wife, though. I mean, shit, you got me nervous.
You want to be my wife?
My father, you make me nervous. I can't even say what I want to say.
Ooh, it's okay, shorty. What's up? Stop playing with me.
But, I want you to be my wife, though. I don't want to be a baby daddy.
I can be all that and more. Stop playing.
Dude, me and you on the same page, then.
Where you from?
I'm from Philly.
I'm from Jersey. What's up?
What's up? You ain't saying nothing but a word.
Stop playing with me.
I told you. So how we gonna talk after this?
You gonna message me? I'ma reply back. Hello?
Hello?
What's up, baby daddy?
What's up with you?
Nothing, waiting for you.
Where you from? Are you advertising real quick?
Oh, hell no. You look young.
I look young.
Who is that?
That's my cousin.
He look about 14, so how old are you?
I'm 18.
Oh, okay, you good. I was about to say.
How old you is?
I'm 23, baby. Stop playing with me.
Okay.
It's all good. It's all good. Anyways, baby daddy, we about to have like 9 kids. Stop playing with me.
Shit, they be in the vote. I'm about it. Whatever.
You just talking. You can't even handle. You can't even handle that. Stop playing.
Where you from?
I'm from Jersey. I just told you.
Oh, you did? Oh.
Yo, that's crazy.
We would catch a flight out there right now. I will go out there right now.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap.
Stop playing with me. You're not ready for this.
Where are you from?
Louisiana. Stop playing.
Oh, boy. I'll show you what a real woman is. Stop playing with me. I'll put you in your place. I'll make you talk to me nice. Stop playing.
Bruh.
Follow me then.
Okay.
You're a real woman, huh?
I am.
I'll tell you some real.
Hello? I know you ain't beating your dirty ass dick. Hello? Please don't show me your dirty ass dick.
Got a blast!
Hello?
Hey,
Hey. What you doing?
wait, nothing. Where you from?
I'm from Jersey. Where you from?
Miami.
Ooh, turn up. You lit.
No.
Oh, hell. Hello? You going on YouTube anyway, so it's okay. Okay, that's it. I'm tired of seeing dicks and weird shit on here. Alright, so that's the last person I'm gonna do. I really don't like coming on here late at night because it literally be nothing but dicks on this shit. And I really don't. I seen at least like 6 dicks tonight. I'm okay with just seeing one, and it's none of them. So don't let the door hit you on the way out, okay? Because I don't want it. Don't. But yeah, it's 3 in the morning, y'all. It's 3 in the morning, bro. I literally have a flight in 3 hours. So I'm not going to sleep. I'm not going to sleep on the game. So I stayed up for y'all so I can make a video for y'all. And I'm about to go take a quick shower, pack my luggage. I got like an hour to get ready. You heard on the game. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down for something. If you guys your money.